Hi, hello, welcome to Manama India A to Z channel. Today recipe, ladies finger recipe. Ingredients needed: ladies finger 250 gram, green chili 3 NOS, 1 onion piece, curry leaves, chop into small pieces. These all items cut with small pieces. Then ready to cook. Flame on. Put a pan to the stove, add 2 spoon sunflower oil or coconut oil. Then mustard 1 tablespoon added. Add lady's finger, chopped lady's finger, onion, chopped onion, chopped garlic, chopped curry leaves, chopped green chili. Then fry all the vegetables. First 10 minutes high flame, then medium flame. Then cook the pan, wait for 5 minutes. Then open the pan, mix it carefully. With mixing, fry the all vegetables. Then add 1 spoon lemon juice. Mix it. Then add the salt. Fry medium flame. Then close the pan. Then off the flame. 10 minutes later to change a serving bowl. The lady's finger recipe is ready. Thank you for watching.